Hey guys, Tassin from Dead Air Silencers, and today we're going to talk about the Wolfman. What started out as a mild plastic surgery for some inline improvements to the Wolf 9 SD ended up turning into an entirely new beast. The Wolfman is the next generation of suppression. Like its predecessor, it's a modular, multi-caliber suppressor. It specializes in subgun, light-duty rifle, and pistol use. It provides ultimate suppression in its full-length configuration while still providing exceptional performance when set up in the short configuration. The Wolfman ships with a 1/2x28 direct thread mount, DA208 large pin front cap tool, and wipe cap kit. Your wipe cap kit can take standard rubber washers from the hardware store. Please see our other YouTube video on wipe replacement for more information. The Wolfman is 7.5 inches in the long configuration and 5.13 inches in the short configuration. It's made out of 17-4 stainless steel and comes in at 14.4 ounces in the long configuration and 9.8 ounces in the short configuration. The Wolfman is full auto rated with 9mm and any other smaller pistol cartridge. It also can travel into some light duty rifle use with 5.56, 7.62x39, 300 blackout supersonic and subsonic, 350 Legend, and 357 Magnum. It also supports an energy rating of 2,000 foot-pounds. So if your caliber falls within that range and diameter, you can fire it through the Wolfman silencer. We also have another offering for the Wolfman silencer, the Key Micro Quick Detach Kit. This comes with a 1/2x28 Key Micro brake and our Key Micro adapter. We offer a ton of different accessories for the Wolfman silencer. We have fixed mounts, tri-lug adapters, booster assemblies so you can run your Wolfman on a pistol, key mount muzzle devices, Key Micro muzzle devices, Xeno Zero, and more to come. This allows you to take your Wolfman silencer from submachine gun use to light rifle use and pistol use all with one can. Ask your local Dead Air stocking dealer about the Wolfman or Wolfman KM QDK, and we'll see you at deadairsilencers.com.